Okay, welcome. So today I'm going to show you how to build a custom gaming PC. This is a budget PC. So this is the case. You can check out my other videos on the details of each step. But I'm going to just quickly show you. Okay, let's get started. So first we have the power cable, PSU, which is 850 watts. We have a gaming motherboard. It's got, you can put 4 GPUs if you have a adapter for the smaller. We have a hard disk drive and 2 RAMs. Also a Corsair cooler, it's a massive cooler. We also got a gigabyte graphics card. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, the first thing is the motherboard, and put this in first because it's a massive cooler, so it needs to go in at the bottom. So this is a ATX case, and I'm just going to put it in, and you could see on the side if you align it how it should go in. Okay, one of these. So this is just to this, you can just click it on. Okay, so next thing, find the screws either with your case or your motherboard, most likely the case, and find the holes to screw it in. So this one has a couple. I'm going to screw these in now. Okay, the next thing is to connect the power supply to the case, and this one comes with screws. So all you got to do, make sure the fan is down, depends which way your case is. Stick it in here carefully, and there's 4 screws here. So I'll just screw it in. Okay, once the power supply is connected, I'm going to start putting in the RAM. And just push it in till it clicks, and this one goes to B1, so A1 and B1, but your one might be different, depends on what your system says. Okay, it's in, you can see it's clicked in. So the next, we are going to put the case wires in. That's CPU power, HD for the audio, graphics card, device 16. So I'm going to start putting it in, and you could check my other videos if you're not sure how to connect it. Okay, so I connected all the wires. You can see it's a bit messy, so I'm just gonna use some wires to neat it up a bit. But anyway, just to recap, HD sound, power, reset, LED lights, that's from the case. And there's a fan case. If you've got a fan on your case, you can connect it. It just says CHA fan. Okay, so the next thing is the power cables, the motherboard power. As you can see, it's got the ports, so just make sure it fits in there, the shape. So right, the next one is the CPU power for the extra. My one is right there near the CPU. I'm going to just put it in. Okay, next. Okay, so before I put the next power cable in, and that's pretty much it for the power cable. It's just needed for the hard drive and the GPU. So I just click the GPU in. So all you gotta do is just slide it in until you hear the click noise. It's in. See, it's clicked in. Just make sure you keep a space on the back. So I just took the back off, just one of them, I'm going to just put that back in. And on this gigabyte you need 2 power. So these are the 6 pins I need for the cable, so I'm going to just put these in. Alright, the next thing is connect the hard drive. So just the SATA data wire. I'm just going to connect it to the SATA thing on the motherboard. After that, get the power cable and connect it to the hard drive. So that's pretty much it really. So I'm just going to put in the cooler. Okay, so that's connected, and there's a wire right here, and it goes into the CPU fan. It's a 3 pin, but 4 pin on the motherboard is compatible, so you just click it in, and that's pretty much it. That's all ready. Just plug it in, turn it on, install Windows or Linux, wherever you want, and the gaming PC is ready. Okay, so this is it. Custom built PC. It's just updating Windows. There's some wires. GPU is working. You can see another GPU, 6 GB. I don't know if it's clear. Pause. It's working good. You can see a nice hash miner there. So if you check my next video, you can see how to turn this PC, gaming PC, into a crypto mining. So I'm going to add additional GPUs, but you know, it's great for gaming. That's the whole purpose of making this. Okay, thanks for watching. Check out our other videos and subscribe.